Kia ora folks, and welcome back to another video. My name's Dub, and recently I started driving trucks for a living. This is my 1994 Scania, the same year that I was born. Good year, that one. It's probably aged a little bit better than I have, but I thought since I'm driving trucks now, I'd like to have a nice coat rack so when I come home I can hang my overalls on them and it'll say, you know, Scania on. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be putting the Scania coat rack, and I'm not going to talk too much, we're just going to get straight into action.